Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from Craft Penguin Planners, and I got this during the TPC sale. And I mean, I ordered it. This is Tuesday, and I ordered it like at the beginning of the TPC sale. I mean, and I got this the other day. So I mean, she was fast. I mean, fast. So let's see what we ordered. Okay, so the first things first, let me show you this. This is her information. This is Craft Penguin Planner. And if you ever watch any of my other videos and I show you my work stickers that I love so much with my bit emoji, this is her. So, just saying. So there's her information. This was the April TPC exclusive. And it was like April showers bring May flowers, I think was the theme. And so here is like the big old live. Sale begins, sale ends. Some galoshes, flowers in a pot. The next one will be May 9th through the 13th, so make sure you check that on your planner. And then some more deco. And then you got this one. This was Kelly's favorite sampler. It says spring adds new life and new beauty to all that is. And then there's some to-dos, todays. And then the little penguin, and it says dishes today or eat off the floor tomorrow. Love that. Laundry today or naked tomorrow. There you go. Coffee pot, balloons, church, just different things. And then hello weekend. So that's beautiful. And then I ordered the day covers for your Hobonichi. I love these. I love the glitter. Love, love, love the glitter. And then this is one of the things that I'm most excited about, y'all. My Hobonichi is a wellness planner, and it's about my diet as well. So I've been just doing like 3 checklists, but for my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And look, check these out. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And they're in any color that could work in your planning. Love, love, love. These are perfect. And then I got this Hobonichi. And this was the Ladybug Weekly Hobonichi. And there's your bottom washi, your long strips to divide, your top washies, or smaller strips to divide, I'm sorry. There's your top washies. Your dates, your day covers, your 3 checklists, your habit trackers, your bill due, your Monday through Sunday trackers, some full boxes, hello weekend, banner, some flags, some dots, and then some like what would be the quarter boxes. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That was amazing. And I got, there's some deco, laundry, trash, money, TV, and then groceries. How cute is this ladybug? But look at the bottom washi. Look at that. Is that not adorable? Look at the little baby ladybugs. They're so cute. All right, so that is what I got from Craft Penguin Planner. And let me tell you something, y'all. She is fast. She is good, and her quality is amazing. So check her out. And like I said, she will be in probably the next TPC sale, and it's going to be May 9th through the 13th. So be on the lookout for that as well. I hope that y'all liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I hope to catch you back here soon. Bye-bye.